So I'm here on a job right now, and I just wanted to show you what happened. So this is what happened. All of that drywall fell down. It's a huge mess. Oh, look at it. It was foil back drywall too. It's kind of, I would not have thought that. But it all came down. Look at all the blown in insulation up there. Okay. You can see it there too. And it is all over the floor here. It just destroyed this house. And what happened was it's 2 foot on center. It was 1/2 inch drywall. Glue had just come out in the 70s. They glued it, and then we were told back in the 70s, you don't need as many nails anymore because of the glue. The glue's gonna hold it. So they glued it, they put the nails in, they didn't do 3 sets of 2 nails, and the glue failed. And with all of the blown, if they would have just left the R11 in there that was in there and never put the insulation on top of it, it would have been just fine. But in the 1980s, the government was giving everybody a tax break for blowing in extra insulation. Well, the houses with the truss systems, 2 foot on center with the 1/2 inch drywall, it wouldn't carry. It just wouldn't carry because it wasn't screwed off. The glue failed and the drywall came down. I've seen this many times in this area. So what I have been doing, I'll show you. I've been putting these slat boards up to hold the drywall in place. You can see I've done them across here too, all across here. But here the drywall broke on me. But this used to be a big dent. If you can see the big indentation here, you see that big indentation? Let me see if I can focus in on it. Right there, there's that indentation. That's where the seam is. That's where the one seam is. Well, you can see that really, really good in this bedroom. There was a big seam here, and then, let's see, 1, 2, let's see, it was 1, 2, there was a big seam here, and then there was a big seam here, and notice that they're gone now because of the slat boards I put up. That should hold the drywall in place. That should hold the drywall in place so it's not coming down anymore. I'm gonna spackle these screws a little bit. I'll popcorn it. I'm gonna fill the screws in on the slat boards with Red Devil one time. This isn't just any kind of slat board. This is hang on. It's a PVC. It's a PVC, so when you put screws in it, it won't split like regular wood. Regular wood would be a lot cheaper, but when you try to screw it off, it just splits. So this is just a PVC, big pieces, and it worked. It worked really well. I'm going to show a video of me drawing the ceiling up. My daughter's coming, so you'll be able to see my daughter too, but I'm going to show a video of me drawing the ceiling up as I'm screwing off these slat boards. It's incredible to watch, guys. You should see these ceilings just get drawn right up, so stay tuned. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right? You guys have a great day.